Hello and welcome from Healthful. Today I'll be sharing a dish that we made at school with the children, and it's Portobello pizza. Who doesn't love pizza? They were very interested in the fact that mushrooms are neither plants or animals. They resemble more us. When we touch by sun, vitamin D is being produced. Same with mushrooms. That's why they are packed with vitamin D, which helps the absorption of calcium. So it's very important for our bones and our teeth. They're also packed with fiber. Majority of mushroom is made out of water. That's why when making those portobello pizzas, we'll be using a skewer to poke them, make little holes, so that when we bake them, that liquid actually drips down and doesn't stay on our pizza. Mushrooms are packed with protein, which is great for bones, great for muscles, helps with satiety. We're gonna take the stalk out of that. We're actually gonna chop it and use it as a topping on our pizzas as well. There are some really interesting facts about mushrooms that the children were absolutely surprised to hear. The whole organism grows under the earth, and the only thing you see is what you actually eat. It's the spore, it's the fruit of it. Now, we will be taking some of the passata, and we're gonna use it as a tomato sauce on our mushrooms. Tomatoes are so rich with vitamins, and they have also cancer preventive properties. Now, the toppings you can really vary. I have black olives. Olives have healthy fats and are packed with polyphenols. A couple of slices. Pretty much one tomato on one pizza, I would say. We still have some our mushroom stalks here for that additional burst of protein, fiber. Around the time of my visit at school, children were learning about China. So we were even talking about mushrooms being a key part of Chinese traditional medicine. They love to hear that. I think really any type of cheese will work hard. Cheese works lovely. About handful per one mushroom cup. Look, they already look so vibrant in color, don't they? You can, of course, season to your liking as well. We have some protein, calcium in the cheese. It's also fermented food, so very good for your gut. All right, and this is all we're gonna do here. This goes now to the oven, probably for 20 minutes, but just make sure that you check it, and if the cheese is melted and golden, you're pretty much ready to eat. Well, smells like pizza. Let's see what we've got. Look how much liquid is in there. All in the tin, but not in the mushroom cup. You can see the edges are lovely, like with the pizza. They are quite meaty, so they will fill you up because there is protein there. Kids will feel full for longer. Fiber, vitamins, so colorful. And of course, melted cheese on top, so I think children will be very happy. Really good base, very melty cheese on top, packed with nutrients, so good for your children and also so delicious. Enjoy.